Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PowerPoint to PDF, and here's how it is done. If you haven't already, download the I Love PDF app from the App Store. Launch the I Love PDF app. Once it is installed on your iPhone, on the app's main screen, tap on PowerPoint to PDF. If you don't see it immediately, it should be listed under All Tools, or you can simply use the search feature. Tap on the Select PowerPoint button to upload your file. You can choose the file from your photos, iCloud Drive, or any other cloud storage you have linked to your iPhone, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. Once your file is uploaded, I Love PDF will automatically start converting your PowerPoint into a PDF. Wait a few moments for the conversion process to complete. After the conversion is finished, you'll be able to download the PDF version of your PowerPoint. Tap Download PDF to save the file to your iPhone. Once downloaded, you can open the PDF in the app's viewer or choose to share it via email, messaging apps, or save it to a cloud storage service for easy access later. And that's everything you need to know about how to convert PowerPoint to PDF. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.